graph the equation y equals negative x minus 3. And I've already drawn a t-chart here that's going to help us calculate some coordinates, xy coordinates, that will then transfer over to our graph. Connect those points and get the line that is the line for the equation y equals negative x minus 3. Now, a couple of good points that would be nice to find is the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Now, the y-intercept is the value or the number that the line crosses on the y-axis when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, we get a y value of negative 3. So 0, negative 3 is the y-intercept. Now, we want to look for an x value now that would be the number on the x-axis when y is equal to 0, and then that would be our x-intercept. So when y is equal to 0, x would then be equal to negative 3, because negative 3 for x gives us 3 minus 3, or 0. Now let's pick out one other point. Let's pick out a point in between. Let's say negative 2. And that'll tell us what's going on in between here. It's always a good idea to have 3 points. 2 points is enough, but 3 points will indicate whether you've made an error in the other 2 or not, because if all 3 don't line up, then one of them's a mistake. So we have a negative 2 minus 3, or 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we have the point negative 2, negative 1. Right, and then we connect those points with a straight line. And we have the line for y equals negative x minus 3.